How do you copy your Instagram profile link so you can send to other people? You can also copy other people's profile link. I'm going to show you all in this video. But before I begin, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more Instagram tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight into my phone and let me show you how you can copy Instagram profile links. Let's go. First of all, open up your Instagram app. This is if you want to share your own profile. So just click on yourself at the bottom right, your profile. And then you can see here, share profile. Click on that. And then you open up your QR code. So you can share profile through here, or you can just copy link here. And that is how you can copy link to your profile. But what if you want to copy link of other people's profile? Also very simple. So for example, let's go back to the main page. You can see Jun Yo, she's very famous. So you just have to click on his profile. Alright, click on the three dots on top right, and then you can see a copy profile URL. Just click on that, and then you copy their profile URL and you can send it to anyone else. So that's how easily you can copy Instagram profile URL, whether for your own profile or for other people's profile. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more Instagram tips like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.